Fast and wily, this opportunist could kill an entire brood of young chicks. Their burrow has been chosen to keep them hidden from predators. But at the first sign of danger, the chicks create a deterrent. Their call mimics the sound of an angry rattlesnake. But rattlesnakes are one of the roadrunner's favorite prey. Returning with takeaway, the father is alerted to the danger.